Bueno, bueno, bueno. Hello, hello. Is anybody out there? This is Adriana Ruiz Flores, and I am going to do this short live video because I want to get in touch with you guys. I miss you. I love to connect with you. I love to have you in my life, and I want to talk to you about coaching. So if anybody out there, I would love to chat with you guys. If there anybody out there, who's out there? I can see someone out there. Who is out there? Let's wait for someone to jump in. Oh, my dear Alexander Medin, how are you, honey? Hola, 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 desde Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico. Esta es Adriana Ruiz Flores, and I am so happy to be here with you. And I am going to talk really quickly about coaching. Yes. Because I have been thinking a lot about coaching. Hello, let's see who is jumping in. Hello, Adriana, es lifetime reading from Sicilia. Hola, Paco, ¿cómo estás? Muy buenos días, muy buenas tardes, muy buenas noches. Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Show me who you are, where are you from, where are you connecting. And as I said, this is going to be a short live. It's just to express myself about money, about coaching, about investing in ourselves, and how hard it is for many people to do that. I mean, it's like I've been thinking about this, and it's weird. I mean, tell me, what do you think? What comes to your head when you hear the word coaching? I mean, really, what is it that comes to your head when you hear the word coach? What is it? I wanna see your comments, and if you're catching the replay, put hashtag replay. If you are the first time watching a video of myself, put a 1. If this is the second time, put a 2, and tell me, where are you from, and actually tell me if you have a coach, if you're actually with a person that is uplifting you day by day by day, because that's the point. I mean, we are in an online marketing business. I don't know what kind of business are you. I mean, really, it doesn't matter if you are selling a product, if you are doing your own product, if you are in the affiliate marketing, if you are actually producing something. I don't know, if you're in Bitcoin, you need a coach. I mean, no. I mean, really, I don't agree with the person that says that he or she knows everything. Alex, you are not in the replay. I am live right now. It's right now. It's almost 2 p.m. or 2 p.m. here in Mexico. And yes, I am alive in the live right now here in Mexico. So, yes, I am saying this because I have heard a lot of complaints lately about money. And they are saying that, oh, I don't have money for this. Oh, I don't have money for that. Oh, I need to sell things. I need to do this. I need to do that. But, I see people going and drinking a beer with friends on weekend. And I don't say don't do that. I say that it's important to focus. I mean, it's important to get help. It's important to look up, up yourself. You need to know what other people is thinking about your business, because as intelligent as you are, as a bright product that you have, an amazing service that you offer, you need someone that is upper than you. And ask any good coach. I mean, the coach is a person that uplift you all the time. It's a person that, without judging you, is going to be around you, is going to be taking care of yourself. It's going to be, well, that's my point of view. I don't know, what do you think about that? I don't know if you agree with me, but for me, a coach is someone that is reachable. For me, a coach is someone that is actually there when you need that person, okay? It's someone that is absolutely committed to your success, and it doesn't matter which level you are. I mean, you can be just beginning, your online marketing. You can be just 1 month, 2 months. Maybe you have 1 year or two and you haven't had results, and maybe you're jumping from one job to another, from one offer to another, from one great idea to the other. I mean, a good coach will guide you. I will put your feet on the ground and also help you to fly. It's a person that is always reading, always meditating. In my case, that's something that is really important, that I believe that it's not only a matter of business. I mean, we are a complete soul. We are a complete, not only flesh and only bones. You know what I mean? So it's important for you to be in balance. It's important for you to be happy. And that's my purpose in life. I mean, maybe this life is not planned. I mean, it's like I have been doing a lot of things, and I have been thinking a lot because my car had problems. I had to go to the mechanic. I had to, been driving all day long. And I was talking with my people, actually the people that is with me, that is trusting me, that I am coaching. And this is something that we are, noticing, is that, I mean, stop thinking in terms of lack, and start believing that you have the power within, and hire a coach, invest in yourself. I mean, it's important. I have a coach. I have two coaches. I have you guys. I mean, you are part of my daily life, and what I don't know, and what the other one knows, the other one doesn't, and we are helping each other. And of course, we have the people that is around us, that is below us, in a matter of sense, not because they are below us, but because they don't believe in the online marketing, that are all the time pushing us and pulling us down and bringing us down, because they don't believe in the business and they think that this is nonsense. And what do you do if you have a bad day? If you have a bad day and you think you're not worthy, or you're not good enough, and you need someone like a coach to help you reach your goals, to help you become a better version of yourself, and to tell you that you can do it, that this is worth it, that this is a process, that this is something that is really meant to be. So it's not only a matter of how to sell things, or how to engage with people, or if you are paying advertising, or if you're in Bitcoin, or if you're whatever. I mean, I do agree with the people that says that it's not the engagement that is going to bring you the sales. Of course not, but it's a really good part, because you're engaging and you're building relationships. And I agree with the part of paying advertising. Yeah, it is some important things, but if you are promoting yourself, if you are happy and you're in balance, then you're going to have actually good sales, and actually you're going to have a successful business. But you have to believe in that, and you have to believe in your power within. And this is something that not all the people agrees with. So I don't want to keep talking. I want to see if someone is over here. Vladislav, hello. Connie, hello, how are you? Oh, tell me, where are you from? This is a short live. I mean, I'm just having all these things in my head. I want to be sure that you understand the importance of having a coach. I mean, tell me, do you believe that having a coach will actually bring your business to another level? I mean, do you believe that having a good engagement with only organic traffic, it's a good method of getting sales? I mean, how do you do yourself? Do you send links for sending links to Messenger to people that you don't actually know? I mean, that's not good, guys. I mean, it's not good. So a coach is that person that is absolutely aware of that, and it's absolutely reachable. It's someone that you can actually pick up the phone and ask her to, or him, to talk to you and to help you in some ways, in some issue in that very moment. Hello, Vladislav, how are you today? So, well, this is it for now. There's few people out there that they are just connecting, and I appreciate your time. I mean, this is a quick live, because God, I really believe that my purpose in life is to help people, if I can bring you a smile to your face, if I can make you feel better, believe me, I am blessed. I am absolutely blessed. But it's important. I mean, it's absolutely necessary that you understand that if you are in an online marketing, any business, I repeat, any business, you must invest in yourself. It's absolutely necessary. I mean, you have to change the mindset that you have, the lack of money, the lack of, oh, I don't have this, but I need to know, and then you start jumping from one thing to another and listen to people that is not qualified to guide you. Find someone that inspires you. Reach out to someone that actually brings you peace, and someone that actually makes you smile, and that person will help you. That person will help you. And those dollars that you invested, maybe was something that was really hard for you if you are just beginning in the online marketing. I repeat, any business, service, product, affiliate marketing, Bitcoin, whatever, you need to be guided. You need to have help. So if you're just starting and maybe $280 is too much for you, or $1,000 is too much for you, and you have to do different stuff to get that money, but you will see the results. You have to believe first in yourself, first and forevermore in yourself. But you have to trust someone higher than you in the level of knowledge, not higher on you because it's better than you. No, that's not true. No one is better than you. You are enough. You're amazing. You're wonderful. You're awesome. And you have to believe that. The coach is one person that is going to uplift you and is going to make you see the beauty within you. And the money that you invest in that person, as the money that I invest in my coaches and my coaches invest in their coaches, is the most worthy. Money is the best investment ever. And you will see the results. And you will see how amazing it is. Because money is here for you. Money is here for you. You have to believe and you have to claim it. But you need help. And you have to accept that help. So I don't know what you think, guys. I mean, I have to go. This is a quick live. Tatiana, thank you for being here. Mario Terán, mi negro, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? Debbie, thank you for connecting. Alex, I love you. Charis Margarita, mamacita, ¿cómo estás? Qué gusto verte. ¿Cómo sigues, hermosa? Espero que este live les esté sirviendo de algo. Estoy hablando de coaching y la importancia de invertir en nosotros, de invertir en ti, en tu capacidad, en tu conocimiento. Tú solo no puedes. Todos debemos de tener una persona que esté arriba de nosotros, que sea capaz de guiarnos y de llevarnos de la mano, literal, de hacernos esa disciplina, esa capacidad de salir adelante. Y eso es sumamente importante, Por eso no quería dejar pasar este día, de que cambies esa mentalidad, de que cambies esa forma de pensar de carencia, ¿me explico? Y eso realmente es algo sumamente difícil y solos no estamos. Necesitamos apoyo. We need help. When we are in this business, we need to trust in someone, and we need to do it in a daily basis. So, if you have something to comment, let me check out the comments. I don't see anybody here. Very good life, Adriana. Agree with what I heard. Oh, yeah, Tatiana. Yes. I mean, we are in the business. And we have to learn tricks and strategies and, have the best product, believe in the product, and maybe, learn about Bitcoin and learn how to do Forex, or I don't know what any business you are. But actually, if you are in those kinds of business or any business, you need someone that teaches you, someone that pulls you, that makes you better, that gives you the courage, that maybe when you are sad just uplift you, when you are in a high run gives you the, palmaditas en la espalda, ¿sí? O sea, feliz, estar bien, estar en paz, estar contento, be in balance, be happy. This money that you're going to invest in your training, in a coach, I repeat, I have a coach, I pay for my coaches, and my coaches pay for their coaches. And you cannot do this alone, because actually this is a very, very, very lonely world, as crazy as it sounds, and we all know that. We need someone to trust, and we have all each other, but we need people that is more qualified, than us, to keep growing and to keep making us a better version of us. Feel the power inside us and make us greater and greater and greater and happier and abundant and free. So this is it, Tatiana. Ay, sí, se oye sexy el español. Sí, it's sexy. Español is sexy, Italiano is sexy, English is sexy, German is sexy, French, sexy. Humans are sexy, we are powerful, we are beautiful, we are amazing, but we need to believe in ourselves. So this is it for today. Thank you so much. If you find value in this live, please share it. Please share it. And if you don't have a coach, and if you want to connect with me, I will love to connect with you. I will love to help you. Someone that inspires you, someone that trusts, that you can give your trust to that person. Give yourself the chance, the opportunity to help you to become a better person. So let's connect, okay? Let's talk about your needs, and let's do this. Okay, thank you so much for being in my life and in my life as well. God bless you. God bless you with all my heart. Thank you so much. See you in the next live, and have an amazing day. Bye, guys.